Hey, good afternoon, folks. I got a new item here I want to show you. The Shaw Company sent it to me, asked me if I'd do a review on it, and it is a 2-pack of folding roller stand set. So this is what's in the box. We got cardboard, got our 2 rollers right there. Alright, there's some handles. There's 1 set of legs there. Legs there. Got some rods, and then you got what we like to call some assembly required. All right, that's what's in the box, including some directions. Like I said, they sent it to me and asked me to review it. The way I know to review it is put it together and use it. Y'all stand by. Okay, there we have them both put together. Shaw 250-pound roller stands, but hey, let's put them to work and see how they work. Well, a lot of times this is where I work, outside on this makeshift work table, and as you can see, that Shaw roller stand comes in real handy for catching them long boards as I'm trying to split them. So if you're needing a roller stand, I highly recommend these right here. They're working out real great for me. I believe they'll work out real great for you as well. Meantime, y'all have a blessed day. And folded up and ready for storage. Great product.